Okay, so what I'm going to show you here is how to use the keyboard shortcuts on the iPad or any iOS device to save you having to write in long strings of text. And this is really handy for, I know my mate's in the CEO system where we have to type in our email addresses to log into the firewalls and stuff like that. And on the iPad it can be a bit of a pain, especially when you've got a really long school name plus the Catholic plus the CEO. So I'll show you how to do it really, really quickly. So you can just use shortcuts to do this. So what you need to do is go into the settings and then scroll down to keyboard, and you'll see down here you've got keyboard shortcuts, and I'm going to add a new shortcut. And so then what you've got here is the phrase and the shortcut you want to use. So the phrase is going to be the text that you want it to write out, and the shortcut is the words that you type for that to work. So I'm going to type in my phrase being my email here. So you can see if you want to type that every single time, it could be a bit of a drag. And I'm going to make my shortcut DG. I'm going to save that. Okay. And so now, whenever I type in DG, it's going to come up with that string of text. So I will jump into Safari, and you'll see. Let's go Google. And you can see straight away I've got to come in and log in with that. So all I need to do now is type in DG, and you'll see it automatically comes up with that string of text. So if I do space, puts it in for you. It'll also put a little space after the text, so you just got to backspace that. That's because it thinks you're typing a phrase. And then submit, and then off you go. So really, really handy. I'm going to type my password in, but you could use it for a lot of things. I could use my password as well as a phrase, so I could just type in my password as a shortcut, and then use a letter that I'm not going to use by itself, put my password in. So you can do it for email addresses, passwords, any string of text that you want. Use those keyboard shortcuts, and it saves you a lot of time. So especially for this kind of stuff. So that's it. See you later.